Fresh evidence has emerged suggesting No. 10 was involved in the airlift of animals out of Afghanistan as Boris Johnson sought to dismiss allegations that he personally intervened as total rhubarb. Boris Johnson tried to fend off allegations that he assisted the approval of the evacuation of cats and dogs with the No10 charity from Kabul. But, as he was talking, further leaked correspondence was published, suggesting that then Foreign Secretary Dominic Raab and No. 10 were involved in the decision. Downing Street has repeatedly denied intervening in any individual cases in the final days of the mission as thousands of people wanting to flee the Taliban were left behind. But an email shared with a Commons inquiry shows a Foreign Office official saying in August that the Prime Minister had just authorized the animals' rescue. And the BBC reported another email from the same day saying Mr. Raab was seeking a steer from No. 10 on whether to call No10 staff forward. Speaking to broadcasters during a visit to North Wales, Mr. Johnson said, "This whole thing is total rhubarb." Pressed if he intervened, he responded, "Absolutely not, the military always prioritized human beings." Labour accused Mr. Johnson of having been caught out lying when correspondence seemingly contradicting his denials that he had ever intervened first emerged. Emails shared with the Foreign Affairs Committee show an official in Foreign Office Minister Lord Goldsmith's private office telling colleagues on August 25 that the PM has just authorised their staff and animals to be evacuated. Another Foreign Office official referred to the PM's decision earlier today to evacuate the staff of the No10 animal charity in a separate email sent on August 25. BBC Newsnight's Seema Kotecha went on to obtain an email from the Deputy Principal Private Secretary to Mr. Raab at the time discussing No10 staff being called forward for evacuation. The evidence appears to contradict the Prime Minister, who previously described suggestions he had personally intervened as complete nonsense. Downing Street sought to argue the officials in the first correspondence to be published may have been mistaken.